Here we have an example of some failed chinking that has been installed improperly, allowing for tears and rips for water to get behind and greatly damage the structure. To remove this chinking, we recommend using a multi-cutter or hawk-billed carpet knife. If you would please, just take a moment and like this video and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us out a lot. Remove backing material and inspect for any damage done. Clean all adhesion areas top and bottom for future application, ensuring a proper application can then be achieved. Inspect for any rot or decay on log due to the entry of water. Make sure all dirt, dust, mold, and mildew are removed. Install backer board back into gap or use a new backer board. Then you're ready to go.